So good morning to all of you. Today I will explain to you about simple equation. This is the chapter number 4 and we will go with the part first. Part first means today I will tell about the introduction part of this chapter number 4, meaning of equation and setting of an equation. So as you see, the name of the chapter is simple equations. So what is the meaning of this? First we will go with the introduction part. So generally what happened, sometimes we are saying to someone कि 4 times of a number is equal to 50. So one question is moving in our mind कि what is the number? How can we will decide a number? For example, if I am saying 4 times of a number, this is equals to 50. So one question in our mind, what is the value of number? If you see here, this is equal to sign, this is your operation, multiplication, 4 and 50, both are constant, both are number. Now we are thinking, what is the value of number? How can we decide the value of the number? So in this introduction part, I will tell you how can we will decide the number, which type of numbers generally we are using during calculations. But before that, I want to tell what is the difference between expression and equation. If I am saying 4x plus 5, if I am saying 4x plus 5, so maybe one question arises in your mind, what is x? 4 and 5, all of you know very well. Plus symbol, all of you know very well. But what about this x? So basically, this x is a number, or we can say this x is denoted here as a unknown number. Okay? And if you see in this 4x plus 5, there is no role of equal to sign. It means this is your expression. It means expression includes unknown number, 4 and 5 both are constant, and plus is operation. Operation may be plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we can say this x is known as a number and it is also known as a variable. It means we can say variable or unknown number, both are same thing. Okay, so come to an expression and equation. What is the difference between these two? If you see here, 4 into number equals to 50, it is an equation because equal to sign is there. And 4x plus 5, this is your expression because equal to sign is not there. So this is the difference between expression and equation. And we can say x is variable, 4, 5, 50, all these are constant. Constant may be positive, constant may be negative, it is related with real numbers, you can say. Okay, so this is the difference between expression and equation. So in this chapter, in introduction part, you will focus on difference between expression and equation, what is x, what is number, how can we will denote the number. As I told, number is related with the variable, number is also related with the unknown number. And one more thing is there, equal to sign must be there. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of equation? If you see here, if I am writing here 4x plus 5 equals to 7, then it is an equation because it includes variable, that is also known as unknown number. It includes 4, 5 and 7. These are constant, plus is operation, and equal to sign is there. It means equation includes all these things: constant, operation, equal to sign and number. Operation may be plus, minus, multiplication and division also. So this concept is related with expression as well as equation. Generally, whenever you are discussing with your friends, sometimes they are saying if 4 times of a number is equal to 7. If I am saying 4 times of a number is equal to 7. So this is a statement, this is a word problem. How can we will write in the mathematical form? So as you see here, 4 times of a number, you will pay attention on this of. Of means multiplication. So 4 times of a number, this is equal to 7, and we have no idea about the number. So what we will do, we will take a number. Let required number is x. We will take y, z, any alphabetical letter we will take here. So if we are taking x here, it means 4 into x equals to 7, or it can be written as 4x equals to 7. So we can say this is count as a equation where LHS side is there and RHS side is there. We can say 4x is the LHS side and 7 is the RHS side. Equal to sign is there. 4 and 7 both are constant, and one operation is there, that is 4 into x. So we can say 4x equals to 7 is the part of an equation because equal to sign is there. X is the number or unknown number, or we can say variable. So I think introduction part and meaning of equation both are clear to all of you. If LHS and RHS both are equal, then we can say it is an equation. So if someone say to you, what is the value of x? How can we will calculate the value of x in such type of an equation? That I will tell in my next video to all of you. At present you will focus on that. How can we will introduce the number? What is the meaning of the number and what is the difference in expression and equation? Now we will come to the next point, that is setting of an equation. How can we will set an equation? So we will take one problem here. So for example, if I am saying, I am continuing with the next concept, that is setting of an equation. Under this heading, if we take one problem, ki add 5 in 3 times of a number, we will get -7. So again it is a word problem. So if you see here, add related with operation, 5 and 3 both are related with constant, times and of, it means multiplication, and we will get, this is the concept related with equal to sign. So how can we will solve this type of word problem? How can we will set off of an equation? So first we have to introduce a number here. So how can we will introduce a number? We will take, or we will let required number is x. If you want to take y, now this time I am taking y, let required number is y. It may any English alphabet letter. Okay. So let required number is y. After that we will write down according to the question. According to the question or according to the given problem, it is written here, add 5 in 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number means 3 multiplied by a number. Then addition sign is there, we will write here plus symbol. Then 5 is there, we will write 5. We will get -7, it means we will write here -7. But it is better if you write in this way, 3 into number plus 5 equals to -7. As we put required number as y, so we will write here 3 into y plus 5 equals to -7. It means it can be written as 3y plus 5 equals to -7. So if you see this type of equation, up to this step it is known as setting of an equation. if you see in this equation, y is a variable 3, 5 and minus 7. All these are constant, all these are numbers. It may be positive, it may be negative, it may be 0 also as per the real numbers. And what is y? Y, as you see here, it is a required number. It is also known as a variable. And what is plus? As I said earlier, it is the operation. Operation may be plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we can say up to this step it is known as setting of an equation. If you see here 3y plus 5, this is the LHS side, left hand side, and minus 7, that is your right hand side. And when both are equal, then we can say it is the part of an equation. So this concept is known as setting of an equation. I am taking one more example so that this concept more clear to all of you. For example, if I am taking, it take away 5 from 3 times of a number, you will get minus 5 by 2. So this is the word problem. How can we will solve this problem? As you see here, take away. So what is the meaning of take away? Basically it is related with subtraction. We will take something from someone. 5 from 3 times of a number. 5 from 3 times. So as I said, 3 times of means multiplication. Number means variable. We have to introduce a variable. You will get minus 5 by 2. It is related with equal to sign. So if you see this statement carefully, operation is there and number is there, that is related with variable, equal to sign is there, and 5, 3, minus 5 by 2, all these are constant. It may be negative, it may be positive, related with real numbers. And as you know very well, real number means what? It is the sum of rational and irrational. So how can we solve this problem? Again, we will take one number, let required number, this time I will take z. So let required number is z. Then we will write according to question. How can we write? Take away 5 from 3 times of a number. So 3 times of a number. So 3 into number. Write down in a bracket. If anyone have any difficulty, go with Bodmas rule. Okay. Take away means minus. Then we will write 5. You will get means equals to and minus 5 by 2. Then we will put the value of number. So it is 3 into z. Write down in bracket. Minus 5 equals to minus 5 by 2, and when you will solve it, you will get 3z minus 5 equals to minus 5 by 2. So if you see, this is the word problem and this is the mathematical statement. Again it is related with equation. Z is a variable, z is a non-number, 3, 5 and 5 by 2, all these are constant, and minus is the operation and equal to sign is there. That's why we can say this is the setting of an equation related with LHS equals to RHS. How can we solve the value of z? How can we solve the value of variable? That I will tell to all of you in my next video. That is the part of solving of an equation. How can we will solve the equation? Or in my next video I will tell something more about simple equation. This is the concept related with there are so many word problems, so many mathematical statements, riddles also, puzzles also. So that I will explain to you in my next video. The next video is related with part second. So I hope with the help of this video you learn more about introduction part of equation, meaning of equation and setting of an equation. How can we will set a equation. Thank you very much.